man? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Yeezy, coming back at you again with another banger. All right, you guys see it in the title, Yeezy Black 350 V2 unboxing. Now, I'm sorry I wasn't able to vlog this. Man, I've been trying to crush around and vlog, but this is definitely different from the first time I had surgery. When I had surgery back in February, I was in shape. I was going to the gym 3 times a week, and I was in better shape, but from February to now, with me not being able to work out, like, bro, just crutching around in the mall, it is killing me. Like, I don't have any wind. If I do get back right and start playing basketball, I know those first couple weeks is gonna be hell for me running up and down the courts. But I'm sorry, I want to vlog. Maybe if I get my girl to do it and I just do a voiceover, maybe. But I'm sorry I couldn't vlog this for y'all. I hope everybody had a good Black Friday and got what they want. But anyway, if you are new over here, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. We're on the road to 2K, man, and we have, what, 1,470, so pretty much kind of halfway there, man. So we almost there, man. I just need y'all to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, get that word of mouth going so we can hit, we can hit 2K. Great nation over here. Goat Yeezy, the great nation, y'all know. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this thing. Now, like I said, I was able to pick my pair up, but I could not vlog it because I don't have no wind to vlog right now. So, but anyway, these came from Foot Locker, size 12, and I wanted to save it because I did order a pair from Chaotic Kicks. Chaotic Kicks hit me upside the head for these, but this is actually the one in this box that I'm gonna unbox is a pair from my girl. I'm kind of bad with Christmas. I was gonna save it till Christmas, but I kind of told her, like, she heard me talking to Chaotic on the phone. And by the way, I will link Chaotic's YouTube and Instagram in the description. But anyway, yeah, she heard me talking to Chaotic on the phone about what size she needs or what size I need for her. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into it and get into the review of this sneaker. All right, now, this is actually my 3rd pair of Yeezys. I ended up selling the 2 pairs that I had. I had the semi-frozen, the big chickens, and the zebras. I definitely want the mix. I want those 2 again. Once I get those 2 again, I'm done with V2s. I kind of got suckered into selling those. That's why I don't do too good with people who resell and people who talk a lot. I just don't deal with resellers anymore because I got suckered into selling my zebras and my semi-frozen, and I want those back. So if I can get those for a good price, y'all just let me know. But anyway, going into this sneaker, man, we got the Black 350 V2 Yeezy. And y'all know, if you know me, y'all know I love all black. Black is my favorite color. 2nd favorite color, Carolina blue. I don't know, it might be a toss-up, who knows. But let's go ahead and get into these things. Off top, I love it. Now, this is the non-reflective, all right? Even though this sneaker does have 3M on it, like along the heel with the 3 stripes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the 3 stripes are 3M, and also the shoelaces, shoestrings or whatever you call them, those are also 3M, all right? Now, virtually, I love this sneaker overall. I tried them on earlier. And I know with the Adidas tell you on the website to go up at least half a size, but with me being, I have the foot length, but my foot is wide, so a 12 in pretty much any shoe can do me good, except for like a Retro 13. For some odd reason, I got to go down to an 11.5, but it is what it is. All right, now getting into the outsole of this sneaker. All right, you have an all black rubber outsole with the Yeezy Boost in the middle, and Yeezy, man, the boost just feels comfortable. Boost technology is amazing. All right. Now going into the midsole, we got the rubber Thanos chin. That's what I call it. Thanos. This, you can't tell me this don't look like Thanos chin, man. If y'all Marvel fans, you already know this look like Thanos' chin. All right. Now going into the upper, we have a prime knit upper. And I really think Adidas does a good job with the prime knit upper on the Yeezys. Like the overall comfort and durability of these, oh my bad y'all, got tongue tied. The durability of these things is like pretty much bar none, believe it or not. Like that just gives it more of the overall comfort with the Boost technology and the prime knit upper, all right? Now heading on to the back of the sneaker, we have a black pull tab with the red dashed lines going across it. I'm not sure what the red is for, but not too much of a bread colorway like the bread Yeezys. Even though the bread, I don't know, I prefer these over the bread Yeezys. Now the bread Yeezys had the supply, 350 supply along the side, on the lateral side of this, like it's missing right here. But with this pair, with the all black pair, similar to the Statics. Now, the Statics were more of a transparent, translucent, which means you can see through it. But with the black ones, you can't really see through it as much. Like I'm looking on the inside and I can see like my finger shadow. But along the outside of the sneaker, if you're looking on the outside end, you really can't see through it as much unless you got lighting. Like I'm looking through it now and I can see through it now because of the lighting. Even though the lighting is horrible, what you guys are looking at right now, believe it or not. But anyway, this is my pair, like I said, size 12. And we're gonna unbox this one that Chaotic sent to see which size my girl got. And I'm gonna remind y'all, my girl is tall. My girl played volleyball and basketball. And in men's sizes, she wear like a money size, so I be trying to get her shoes, but with me working at Foot Locker, I don't be wanting to pay that retail, that resale, y'all. I'm retail shawty over here. But anyway, I'm gonna fast forward this unboxing. And I do have my keys. 1914 Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. Shout out to my bro, Unbreakable Kicks. But, all right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, as you guys can see, this pair came from Finish Line. Finish Line, I can never hit on the Finish Line app. Finish Line always hold me for some reason. But shout out to Chaotic Kicks. And we do have the receipt, Finish Line receipt. Retail price $234. So yeah, I gave Chaotic his that liquor money I owe him. I'm fucking messing with you. Alright. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the size. Alright, so my girl wears an 8.5 in men. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like I said, my girl tall. She's like 5'9", 5'10". So. I'm glad she can't wear my shoes. Bump that. She gonna see the video, but I'ma hide them anyway. I'ma hide them. Alright. And the same thing like with my size that I just reviewed. She doesn't have a pair of Yeezys. This will be her first pair of Yeezys. So I'm pretty sure she'll be stoked about these. I ended up buying her the Butters when they came out, but I sold them because me personally, I didn't like the Butters for myself. So I ended up selling them. Alright. And everything looks good, man. Pretty much the same. Like I said, about to give y'all a quick, up close, in-depth personal look, and we're gonna head back in front of the camera because I ain't want to keep y'all too long. I know it's already been like 5 or 6 minutes, and we gonna splack out on out of here, baby. Alright, once again, this has been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT Yeezy. I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking with your boy, man. The love is definitely much appreciated. Now, like I said earlier in the video, what I need for you guys to do, make sure if you hit that subscribe button for your boy. If you new over here, make sure you Hulk smash that thing, man. Give this video a thumbs up, share it. Hey man, word of mouth helps. You know, we trying to grow the channel. I'm trying to get some more upgrades, but matter of fact, I just need to be home with better lighting. So hopefully next week I'll be home and I can give y'all some better lighting, and hopefully I can get like a motorized cart so I can do my vlogs. I know everybody will love that, because I love to work. I love to show y'all how I get sneakers, man. Like, even though y'all know I work at Foot Locker and all that, but I still gotta go out and do my footwork, you dig? But anyway, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT Yeezy once again. Sending everybody out there love, peace, with all this beef. Put some chicken grease on that thing, dog. Out of here.